Hey there, AI creators. Want to build an influencer that's cooler than your favorite YouTuber, looks like a star and gets all the likes? Well, guess what? You can do it for free with TensorArt. Let's create your very own virtual sensation, ready to go viral in no time. Step 1. What is TensorArt? First, let me tell you about TensorArt. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you create digital artwork, including realistic or stylized characters. What makes TensorArt special is that you can generate stunning portraits of your AI influencer using simple prompts. You can customize their look, vibe, and style, making them perfect for social media fame. Step 2. Create a free account. To get started, head over to tensorart.com and create a free account. Click on the sign up button, enter your email and set a password. Once you verify your email, you're ready to explore the magic of AI generated art. Step 3. Generate your AI influencer's image. Now it's time to bring your AI influencer to life TensorArt works by taking prompts, short descriptions of what you want, and turning them into stunning images. For example, you can type a futuristic influencer with neon hair, a confident smile, and trendy clothes. TensorArt will then create a unique digital portrait based on your idea. If you don't love the first result, tweak your prompt and try again. Step 4. Save and share the artwork. Once you're happy with the result, hit the download button to save the image to your computer. This is now the face of your AI influencer. Use this artwork on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube thumbnails to grab attention and stand out. And that's how you build a free AI influencer using TensorArt. It's simple, fun, and packed with possibilities. Try it out and let me know what kind of influencer you create in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome AI tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.